Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nevaeh's Playzone, and today we are going to be playing a little bit of Subway Surfer. I haven't been playing this game pretty often because, I just didn't think that now I kind of want to play the game, and so I kind of want you guys to join in the game with me with a load of fun. If none of you guys have this game, just letting you guys know that you guys should download this game because it is a fun game and it relaxes you if you're in a bad mood and stuff. And it's basically just like a race because you're running, trying to get to the higher level. And so, yeah. Gotta get this. Oh man, I got hit by a train. We gotta run for our lives. I almost got ran over by a train. Darn it. So this is how much I have so far. Guys. Now, let's play again. Darn it. I seriously almost died because of that freaking. Darn it. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys like it, and make sure to turn on the notification to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.